friends, welcome back everyone to my channel, and in this video we're going to see one of the chapter of first POC, which is the 11th chapter Conic sections. And if we see the weightage of this chapter, 9 marks it carries. So there's one question for 3 marks and then a more question is for 6 marks. And how do we get the 3 mark questions? 3 mark questions are nothing but the questions from the exercise parts. Videos let us also solve those problems from the exercise. And the one question from the 6 mark is like asking the derivation and the definitions, like such as definition of a circle or ellipse or parabola or hyperbola, anything as such. And then the standard equation for all these. Circle have some standard equation and respectively the others also have some equations, right? And those equations we are going to derive. And in this video we are going to derive we are going to give the definition of a circle and going to derive the standard equation of the circle. So let's get into the video. We all know the basic definition of a circle. It is the set of all points in a plane that are having a same distance from the center of the or a fixed point, and that fixed point we say as the center of the circle. Okay, so let's write the definition of it. The definition must be like this: a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant in sense it is having the same distance, okay, from a fixed point in the plane. Okay, so this is the definition, perfect definition of a circle that has to be written in your answer sheet. Okay, a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. So if we have to explain it using a diagram, this is the center of the circle. Okay, this is the fixed point in the plane. The fixed point in the plane is this, and that is called as the fixed point is called as the center of the circle. Okay, and these points, the set of all points which are joined in the plane, is it does form a circle. And then the distance, if we measure from the point O, let's say the center of the circle as O, let's consider some of the point on the circle as A. If we measure the distance from O to A, it is same as the distance from any other point. If we say B here, C, D, E, F. So all these distance are gonna be the same. Okay, if OA is 2 centimeter, OB is also gonna be 2 centimeter, OC is also gonna be 2 centimeter, OE is also the same, and OD is also the same. And then what is this called? OA. The distance from the center to the point on the circle is called as the radius of the circle. We all know this, right? Radius of the circle. And if we have to say the definition of this, only so much is this definition. A circle is a set of all points in the plane that are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. And then there is a standard equation for the circle. Let's derive the equation for that now. General equation of circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r. First we have to take a xy axis, and the circle lies in the xy axis, which is whose center is not at the origin. And let the center be somewhere here. Let's give some coordinates like h comma k. Okay, then let's take a point somewhere on the circle whose coordinate is x comma y. Now what we know from the definition of the circle? From the definition of a circle we know circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. So if we take any point in the circle, the distance will be fixed. If we take CP, if we take CA, both distance will be the same. So, CP distance is equal to CA. Now, another thing we know, the distance from the center to any point in the circle is called as the radius of the circle, which is denoted by small r. Okay. Then we know CP, distance between CP, okay, distance between CP is equal to R, where R is the radius of the circle. And here we take the modulus. Modulus in sense, it's nothing but the center can lie anywhere. It can be in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or the fourth quadrant. So, however, we know the radius is always the positive one. Okay, radius is always the positive one. So, that's why we take the modulus for the CP. Distance between CP is equal to radius of the circle. We know distance formula. Distance formula is the square root of final point minus initial point the whole square. It is like, let me just write here, the distance between x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the distance between 2 points given. Okay, here the point given is h comma k and x comma y. Okay, so anything we can take as final and initial. Let me take this as initial point, these as final point. CP I have written, right? So this x minus h. Okay, x minus h the whole square, square root of, first square root of x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square, which is equal to r. On squaring on both sides, we get, if we square on both sides, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square. For this, the whole square, which is equal to r square. These square and root gets cancelled. The square and root gets cancelled. So, we get x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square, which is equal to r square. This is the general equation of the circle. Okay. And then we have told that if the center is at the origin, if it is at the origin, h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0, right? The coordinates of the origin is 0, comma 0. If we substitute in this equation, x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to r square, x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the circle whose center is at the origin, and this is the general equation of the circle whose origin is not at the origin and somewhere anything it can lie, but the general equation of the circle is very important. Okay, on these equation and the information about circle, on all these the first exercise is given, and let's solve the exercise 1 in further videos. Thank you for watching this video and see you in another video soon. Bye.